Good morning, students. Now for today's computer video, the textbooks are with me. Your computer textbooks are with me at the school. So now what we will do, we have completed the first chapter and we have completed till here. The worksheet we have to do question B, C and D. For chapter number 1. What we will do, we will solve it in the next class when you will receive your computer textbooks. Because the computer textbooks are with me, so you won't be able to complete the notes. So today let us start the new chapter. So what I am doing, students, chapter number 2 is uses of a computer. Now, I am not going to send any written work like I told because the textbooks are with me. So, you can just see this video and understand to the explanation what I am explaining. Okay, and once when you receive your textbooks from the school, we will continue with the written work. First, let us just start this chapter today. Uses of a computer. Now, we have already learned that what is a computer, what are the types of computer. There is desktop computer, laptop computer and tablet computer. And now we will learn that what is the use of the computer, where we can use the computer. What can you do with a TV? You can listen to music, watch cartoons and movies too. Look at Veena. She is enjoying a cartoon film on the TV. Now you all watch TV. You can listen to songs. You can watch cartoons and movies. Now this girl, she is Veena. She is watching a cartoon film on the TV. You can do all of these things and more on a computer too. Now, you can do all these things. We can listen to music, we can watch cartoons and movies. We can do all this on a computer, but we can do some more things also. What else can we do on the computer? You can use a computer to solve sums, play games, type, to write poems and stories, make drawings, watch cartoons and movies, and listen to music. We can do so many things on a computer. Let us see one by one. Solving sums. Now students, you all do maths. Okay, now in maths, what do? You solve sums. But you are having small sums. When we have big sums, we can use a computer to solve them. See, a computer is a machine. If you want to see this boy is doing addition and subtraction on the computer. So when you put the question in the computer is very smart. It will give you the answer. A computer can be used to solve sums. Summer is adding numbers on the computer. Isn't that a great way to do math? Now see, the boy is doing maths on the computer. We can use the computer to solve sums. Then what else we can use the computer for? Playing games. Now this is your favorite. All of you students, you like to play games on the computers. What kind of games can we play? We can play games such as cricket, racing, chess and basketball on the computer. There are so many different kinds of games that you can play using a computer. What else can we do? Writing poems and stories. Now you all write on the paper with a pencil. We write on paper with a pencil. But look at Megha. She is writing using the keyboard of a computer. This is called typing. Whenever we are writing on the computer, we use the keyboard. I had shown you the keyboard in our last class. So when we write using the keyboard, that is called typing. We use a keyboard to write on the computer. The keys of the keyboard are marked with letters and numbers. When we press a key, that letter or number appears on the monitor. This is called typing. You can write poems and stories by typing on the keyboard. Now you can see the keyboard. Okay, you can see the picture of the keyboard. It has many numbers and alphabets. Letters are written. So we can press the letter that we want to write and that will appear on the monitor screen. See the girl Megha. She is writing from the keyboard. She is pressing the key and it will appear on the monitor screen. That is called typing, and we can write a lot of things. We can write poems and stories by typing on the keyboard. Drawing and coloring pictures. Now you all like drawing and coloring. You draw in your drawing books and color with the help of crayons and pencil colors. Now we can draw using the computer also. You can also draw with the help of a computer. Priya is drawing using a computer. Can you guess what she has drawn? See, Priya is drawing using the computer. What she is drawing? See the picture. She is drawing a fish. Now, okay, students, this activity you can do for homework when you receive the book. You all will like this activity. What you have to do? We have to draw a flower on the monitor and color it. This is the monitor screen of the computer. Okay, so you have to draw the flower and color it. Okay, now students, today see this video for your computer class. Understand this much. Okay, and when you receive the books, you have to read the chapter also. Okay, now we will continue in our next class.